Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use what is command, type command, and man command. What is command display one line manual page. So I'm going to type what is, then ls, as we can see here, display one line manual page description. I'm going to type also what is man page, or the man command. You can see here, give us information and display one line manual page descriptions. And if I'm going to type what is lscbu, same thing. Now let's move on to the next command, type command. The type command shows the type of every Linux command. I'm going to write type, then what is. You can see here it shows the type of every Linux command. I'm going to write type ls, same thing here, type info, same thing here, it shows the type of every Linux command. Now the last command is the man page command. So the man page, we can use this command in order to show us more information and details about the command. It's an interface to the online reference manuals. For example, let's type or write man ls. You can see here information about this command and also the option. And go back to the main page. So man, to the main page. This is the main page. Then I'm going to type right now man df. You can see information about the df command and also the option. Go back here, so we'll write type also man. You can see here the man is an interface to the online reference manuals. Okay, that's it for this session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.